Guys, I want you to stop everything that you are doing right now and look at this. Put your phone down, glue yourself to the screen, because it's probably one of the most important videos you will ever watch. Okay, this is what your Phantom wallet looks like. This is what you wish your Phantom wallet was like. Trust me, I've been there just like you. I've tried a lot of different things, but this is probably the quickest and most effective way to make it in 2025. So you know how difficult it is to launch meme coins on Pump.fun. I mean, there is just too many coins popping up on this platform right now, and it's a complete mess. But what you don't know is that there is literally another platform going on that no one is talking about. And you know why no one talks about it? Because it's supposed to be way more difficult to create a meme coin on it. But I think that I found a way. So let me show you. If we go to this website to watch the meme coins that are created recently, you can see that the Pump.fun tokens, for example, they are created every second, which means that the attention that each coin is getting is way too small, and the market cap of those tokens, they will never go up because no one has any trust on them anymore. But now, if I filter it to only show the ones that are created on Raydium, you can clearly see that not only are they created less and less often, but the market caps are way higher. And they are way higher because people trust the coins created on Raydium. And honestly, I think that's the case because you are supposed to be way better than anyone else to use Raydium. So anyone think you need to hire developers or you need to be able to program it yourself? So that's why there is not a lot of people trying it right now. I can promise you that anyone can turn $100 into 1,000, 1,000 into 100,000, and even millions with this technique. It's literally so insane the amount of money you can print like that. So here's the trick. This new website that I found, it's called memefast.fun. And basically what it does is it pretty much simplifies all that process. It gets you a Solana token running on Raydium like so fast. And I will show you live how I do it and you will see how simple it is. So first, I go back to Photon and I will do some research on the trending topics that people are using right now for their tokens. This video will be posted in February 2025, so there is still a decent chance that the trend right now is still something like artificial intelligence or animal coins. But I think the safest one is still animal coins. It always works really well with me. I use either dog or cats with cute pictures. But remember, if there is like a political event going on, you can absolutely make a Trump or even a Elon Musk token. It's also perfect. So yeah, I'm going to take this small picture of a small kitten and I'm going to download it and format it by 500 by 500 pixels. So you do it with any cute image of an animal if you want, or with an image of Donald Trump, I don't know. Next, we go back to memefast.fun. And my wallet is already connected, but you just connect your wallet. And the first time you do it, you're going to see your Phantom app. It's going to open up and ask you to approve the connection, but I did that already. So now I need to enter a name for my token. So let's call it small cat. And for the symbol, it's basically the ticker of the token. So we are going to put something like small. Next, I'm going to put the image. Okay, here we go. Now you click on next. And now you can see on this step that the supply is already put at 1 billion. So it's usually what most of the projects use. So I recommend you do the same because it's just way more convenient for what I'm going to show you next. Then we put a small description. I'm going to put something like the smallest cat on Solana. But it doesn't really matter that much. You can put anything you have in mind. Okay, next. This is the most important step. So the modify creator information, this is not really important. So you can leave it unchecked. Same for the social links. you can leave it unchecked. But the most important part is the revoke authorities. So they are selected by default, and you need, in my opinion, to let them like that, because what it's going to do is people will be able to see that you don't have the right to freeze tokens on accounts of holders. They will see that you will not be able to mint more supply of your token and even change the name of the token. So it's really important if you want people to buy your token and if you want to attract money into the token, not to unselect them. Okay, so next we create token. So yeah, the Phantom apps, it's going to give you all kind of warnings, but you can absolutely ignore that. So you just click on proceed anyway. I'm going to show you live, so there is no danger. So yeah, another warning, you can ignore that too. And last one. Okay, so you can see the token is being created right now. And it's created successfully. Here you have the token address. And you can see in the Explorer to double check. So we're going to see right now. And you can see, yes, token small cat, 1 billion supply. So yeah, it's been created successfully. So now let's get back to memefast.fun. And the next step is to create a liquidity pool. So you just click on this button, create liquidity pool, and it's going to send you to the official Raydium website. So you can see, you cannot see the URL on my screen recording right now, but you can check for yourself. It's the official website, because this is where you're going to inject the liquidity. So now you just have to connect your wallet. So I connect. Be sure to connect the wallet you have created the token on, otherwise you won't be able to inject liquidity. So now, as you can see, I still have some SOL on my account that I'm going to use to create liquidity. And for the base token, you just copy and paste the address that you've got on memefast.fun. So I'm going to take this address and I'm going to put it right there. Okay, and as for the symbols, you put the same that you've put in memefast.fun. So you put it right there. Okay, add user token. Okay, you've got your token right there. And now, next step, for the base token, we have small, you put maximum, and then you correct it to 900 million. It's very important. You don't put the whole 1 billion. Next, for the quote token, so you choose SOL, and I'm going to put 2 SOL, for example. Okay, everything is looking good. And we are going to initialize the liquidity pool now. Okay, so you click on this. Okay, you can confirm this. It's okay, everything is fine. And here you go, you have created the pool. So the liquidity pool is created successfully. So everything is running fine. And you can go back to see if the token is live. And it's just right here. So yeah, it's been created 26 seconds ago. So you can click on it and watch. So the chart is not going to show up right away, but if you wait a little bit, yeah, here we go. So we've got the chart running. Everything is looking fine. So you can see there is some small buys, but we don't care about that. It's just bot sniping. And as you can see, the liquidity is looking great, market cap is looking great. So now we're just going to wait for the first buyers. So it can take some minutes. So I'm gonna go fast forward with you. in the meantime, you can go to your portfolio here, and it's going to show the liquidity in a standard mode. Okay, we've got our first buy actually, 0.51 SOL, so it's amazing. Like, it's just the buyers are going to come, as you can see, if they see that it's a Raydium token, that they just go in, and that's what we're waiting for. Okay, we got our second buy. It's absolutely amazing, guys. It's just like you are printing money. It's I don't know why I am the only one to do that, but I mean, look at the liquidity. It's rising. Market cap is rising. Just we're waiting. Next buy, maybe. Yeah, okay. New buy, 0.4. I mean, look at this. It's just too easy, man. Okay, liquidity, market cap. Maybe we wait for fourth buy, and then I'm going to end it. You can refresh your portfolio. No, it's still no, the portfolio is still not showing. So you wait for it to show, and then you can go with the liquidity. Okay, so fourth buy, 0.28 Solana. Yeah, it's just amazing. So liquidity, 1.2k, 1.1 of market cap. We refresh. Show me the liquidity. And when you've got your liquidity, okay, here we go. When you've got your liquidity, so okay, we've got $1,100, and we are just going to go in standard mode, and all that money that you see, I'm going to take it back. All that money, you just click on minus, you click on 100%, and you just take it all by removing liquidity. And it is just as simple as that. Here we go. Just confirm that. 3.5 SOL. 3.5 SOL. We just put 2 Solanas in liquidity, and we get back with 3.5 sols. I mean, you just do the maths, but it's absolutely amazing. It's the best way to make money right now. And if you have any question, guys, just come in the description. There is my Telegram group. You ask anything, but go make some bucks.